Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel today. In case this is your first time here, or if this is your first time coming across my face, hi, Olubukola, and you're welcome here. Do well to subscribe. I film about skincare YouTube tips and as well lifestyle. Monday we are going to be having a recap on Monday where I answer you guys questions. My very first question here that I have about 11 questions here, but I promise I'm going to make it very short. The answer very short and straight, so I'm not here to take much of your time. So the very first question I have here is, can I mix Stretch Mark oil with my cream? This person is particularly talking about the Shalom Stretch Mark oil because this comment or this question was under that video. Yes, you can mix Shalom Stretch Mark oil with your cream. It can be mixed with cream. I've seen a lot of people mix it with their cream. People who have stretch mark mix it with their cream, so it's very possible. The second one is, do you train people? I currently do not train people. I don't train people right now. If I will start training people, I'll put a notice out there, but I think the part where I want to monetize is going to be for recommendation. I think that's the part that I want to monetize, because you guys know when people come to your DM, they're like, okay, you have to like tell me this, you have to do this for me, and sometimes I feel somehow, but the part that I really want to monetize is for recommendation. And if I will start getting that other part monetized, I will let you guys know. But for now, you can still send me a DM, but make it on videos that I've made, make it on questions about videos that I have. Next question is, how can I measure 10% on a weighing scale? If you want to measure 10% on a weighing scale, there's nothing like percentage on a weighing scale. You have to do your conversion, like 10%, 0.1 times 100 times maybe any gram that you want to make, or any of the size of what you are making. If it is 10% of 100%, that's about 10 grams. If it is like 25% of 100%, that's about 25 grams. You just have to do your conversion, because there's nothing like percentage on the scale, so don't get it wrong. Next one is, can retinoid treat early sunburn? It is a minor one though. Yes, retinoid can treat sunburn. It helps with dark spots, it helps with stuff like that, so definitely it can work for your sunburn, and you can always use it like twice a week or 3 times a week, and it's going to stop, you are going to stop having sunburn at all. So if you want to use retinoid for your sunburn, then definitely go ahead, it's going to work for your sunburn. Next one is, please I am seriously suffering from dark circle. What can I use? I think I made a whole video on dark circle, on stuff you can use. Vitamin C serum, retinoid, SPF, include that in your daily products that you use on your face, and with time your dark circle is going to be gone. So if you now want to like treat dark circle, like if you don't want to be having dark circle at all, make sure these things are included in your skincare routine: vitamin C serum, retinoid, and SPF as well. Always apply it in your eye area. If for now you cannot get eye cream, there's a lot of eye cream out there that you can get. There's one banana eye cream, I forgot the name of the brand as well. Their eye cream too is okay, but it might be a little bit pricey. CeraVe has a very cheap eye cream as well, but if you don't want to use eye cream at all, then you can go for vitamin C, retinoid, and SPF, which can be normal things you have in your products that you can just use on your face. So it's not like I'm not even spending money if you have all this product already that you use on your face. Just focus more, pay more attention to that area, then your dark circle is going to be gone. Next one is, if you have a natural knuckle, how do you maintain it? I made a video regarding on products that you can stick to for a very long time for your knuckle, that is going to help you treat your knuckle. If you have bleach knuckle, even if you have natural knuckle, this can still work for you. It is not only for those who have bleach skin. This can work for you in maintaining your hands and your knuckle as well. Everything that I recommended are very safe, and they can be used for a long time, so they are very safe. That same thing can as well pass for your I recommended the Botanic Tree Glycolic Cleanser. I recommended the Alpha Skincare Rejuvenating Renewing Serum. I think Medix 5.5 Lotion. Those 3 things will pass for your knuckles and help you maintain your knuckles. So next one is, cheapest soap for clearing pimples. I have reviewed this about maybe 6 or 7 months back, but I know I have new people that have joined me since then. I have about 10,000 more people that have joined me since the last time that I reviewed the simple or cheapest soap for pimples, and this is still the anti-pimple soap, and I'm still telling you up to date that that particular soap works so well for pimples because a lot of people are still using it and buying it. It dries out your pimples. There's a particular soap like that as well, like a retinoid. I have reviewed that one as well. That one as well can pass and help you with your pimples and as well dark spots. The difference between the anti-pimples one and that other one with retinoid is that this other one with retinoid clear dark spots way faster than the other black one, the anti-pimples one. So that is just like the main difference from the two, but they both dry out pimples and help you with your acne. So next one is, I am light skin but my face is always darker than my skin. Invest in SPF, use stuff that can brighten your face. Make sure you use more of vitamin C. Use vitamin C cream or vitamin C serum on your face. You can use Neutrogena Rapid Clear that helps with dark spot and hyperpigmentation. You can use Good Molecules brightening serum. When you are going to bed at night, you can use Good Molecules exfoliating serum. So there are a lot of products you can use. All these products can pass. You can just pick one that you can use, and I think I've reviewed majority of all this product I'm talking about. I've reviewed majority of it. So Rapid Clear toner can pass. That's what I'm currently using, and you can go and watch video on that as well. Good Molecules brightening serum can pass, or correction serum can pass. Good Molecules exfoliating serum can pass because that is going to help you as well overnight. Next one is, what can I use on my face? I want drugstore products. There are a lot of things that you can use if you want drugstore products. A lot of things for your face that you can use. I'm planning on making a video on a routine for, okay, let's say you want to go for a drugstore product, like a possible thing that you can match together that can now stand as your routine. Probably a cleanser, a toner for oily skin person, and their moisturizer, SPF and all of that. Then for combination skin, then for dry skin, if you guys want to see a video like that, because I'm thinking of doing it because of those that have been asking me, or they have been telling me that they don't know how to come up with their own routine of products that can work for their skin type. If you guys want me to work on that and do a video on that, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, but there are a lot of products that you can use. Just make sure that the key things you need in your routine is your cleanser, your SPF, your moisturizer, your toner. These things are more like the key things that you need in your skincare. Next one, or the last one, is, where can I get Ghana white balls in Canada? Really, if you want to get the Ghana white balls in Canada, probably just run me my visa, then I will come and then we can just set the whole of Canada together. I'm just joking though. I really don't know, but I think you can just buy it here and then send it over to your side, because I don't know anywhere you can get it in Canada. I don't have anybody that sells over there. But if you know you really need it, then I will advise you get someone over here who is going to help you to buy it and then send it down to your side. And without, you have your Ghana white balls. So these are the questions that I'm able to bring out that I think I need to attend to. If you have more questions for me that you want me to answer as well, please drop it under this video in the comment section. That will come with the next recap next week Monday. And yeah, if you watch me to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notification as well, so that you always get notified anytime I drop new videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.